Hey YouTube, this is DIY with Donna. Today we're going to look at how to install or replace a ceiling light fixture. Here is my current Tiffany light fixture. I like it, but the colors don't match what I'm doing now with my kitchen. So this is our new chandelier that we're unboxing. Packaging. All right, here it is. Doesn't look like what I thought. This would be champagne. Oh, okay. Cool. I didn't know these moved like that. They look nice. And there's a chandelier that goes in the middle. Where's that? This is the chandelier that goes in the middle of it. So I guess we haven't put it together. I didn't realize that. Here are the crystals that go on the chandelier. You need to ensure that you come and find your fuse box and turn off the circuit before you start.
Basically got to loosen the fastener here, so that comes off pretty easily. Let the cover slide down. There's the black wire. It looks like it's been painted. There's the white wire. And here's the ground.
So you're screwing in the crossbar. So L, there's 3 wires. L is for positive, N is for negative, and the bare wire is the ground wire. So I'm weaving the ground wire around the positive and negative cable so I can go through the loops a little bit later. So after you get it connected, then you want to go through every other, take your wires through every other link in the chain that hangs down. We gotta put the cables and wires through here first before we put it on the chain link. This is our 3rd time taking it off. Yeah, so I'm gonna go through every other link again. You want to feed the wires from the chandelier through the crossbar. So now Will is attaching the positive or the L wire from the chandelier to the black wire that was in the ceiling and capping it off. He also is taking the negative, the white wire from the chandelier, and attaching it to the white ceiling wire and capping that off. And then lastly, he's twisting together the 2 ground wires. After placing the wires in the ceiling and covering it, you have finished installing your new chandelier light fixture. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment, and we'll see you next time.